Stop scrolling right now and look at this Peacock Swirl design, you guys. This is giving full Jamaican vibes and energies. We're adding coconut milk and we're adding cane sugar. So let's get into this video so I can show you guys this incredible Caribbean design. Hello, good day, good evening, good night, good morning. I'm Natacia. Welcome to Natacia Sudz and Sense. How are you guys doing? I hope you on some good vibes and good energy, because bad-mindedness has to exit stage left. If you don't know what bad-mindedness is, it means if you are negative, we don't do negative. Now I need you to pay attention and understand what we're doing, because we're adding a little island magic to this batter. Let's talk about the real VIPs of this recipe. That's our cane sugar and our coconut milk. Now our cane sugar is here to turn the lather all the way up. More bubbles, more foam, more fun, and we're gonna add it to our lye water solution. And the coconut milk, well, that's the island luxury, honey. It brings a creamy, silky feel that makes this soap feel extra smooth on the skin. So together, they're giving tropical spa in the bar. So you guys, here we go with the Peacock Swirl. So remember when I tried to do the Peacock Swirl, I screwed it up in the last video. If you have not seen it, you're late. I'll put the link at the top and in the description box, but I did it wrong and it came out spectacular. This time I did the Peacock Swirl correctly, and I decided to use the beautiful colors of the Jamaican flag, you guys. Look at the swirl and those beautiful colors, you guys. The movement, the color, the rhythm, everything about this design feels alive. The greens, the golds, the deep accents are inspired by the Jamaican flag. And I wanted the swirl to move the way music moves, the way rhythm moves, the way reggae moves. Bold, smooth, and full of personality. This is the part where the Peacock Swirl either makes you look like a genius or humbles you real quick. So let's see what happens, alright? Deep breath, because once this swirl starts, there's no undo button. Alright, moment of truth. Let's see if she behaves. Two. What you gonna do when the Peacock Swirl gets nice and coming true? Let's go, you guys. Look at these colors and look at these shapes in this soap. Natacia, this looks so incredibly intricate and nice. And we're not done. There's still another part of this design that we have to do to give it the true peacock. After you do your comb through, you want to do a S-swirl type movement throughout your soap batter. You can use a rod, you can use a stick. I wanted to use something thin because I didn't want to use something that was going to pull too much soap while I was swirling. But this is how it gets the name, the Peacock Swirl. Because if you look at the design, it looks like the tail of a peacock. 24 hours later, and I'm loving this design, you guys. The color pop, the contrast, the design, it came out incredible. Do you agree? I am trying to decide which way to cut it to really accentuate the design. The scent is incredible. These colors aren't just beautiful, they carry meaning. In the Jamaican flag, black represents the strength, determination, and creativity of the Jamaican people, highlighting their ability to overcome challenges and hardships. Gold or yellow symbolizes the natural beauty of the sunlight and the wealth of the country's resources. Green represents the lush vegetation of the island and hope for the future. That connects perfectly to soap making. Strength in the ingredients, natural oils from the earth, and a golden glowing lather that feels like sunshine on your skin. If you're not adding natural ingredients to your cold processed soap, what are you waiting for? It's time to clean up on aisle 7, and you guys, all we're going to do is make these edges sharper because we don't want to mess up our peacock bouquets on the front face of our cold process soap. Shout out to you if you made it this far. We're getting these edges nice and clean. Also, I want to say shout out to all of you who are from the Caribbean, who have family from the Caribbean. Put in the chat below where you are from. And special big up to you if you're from Jamaica, and a special big up to you if you're from Chapelton in Clarendon, or you're from Savannah Lamar in Westmoreland. That's where my family from. Big up to all of you guys. Soap maker tip: sometimes if you want to get a really clean and sharp edge to your beveled soap, it would help to spray some alcohol on your beveler or on the soap and proceed that way. Sometimes it works out, but this time I'm going to take the chance. Alright, now are you ready for the lather test? We're going to now test our coconut milk and our cane sugar and our soap batter, in addition to the other ingredients such as our coconut oil, our shea butter, our cocoa butter, and our avocado oil. Let's see what we're going to get, guys. Yes, she lathers, you guys. She lathers. This is where the island really shows up. Look at that lather. Creamy, fluffy, and full of life. The bubbles are literally hugging my skin. Look at that. Come down with the coconut milk with the creaminess. Ain't Sugar said, don't worry yourself. We got bubbles, bubbles, and more bubbles. Let me tell you, this soap was fun to make. We are family here. Did you hit subscribe? Why? Because 1 million, we need 1 million. Hey, 1 million, we need 1 million. When me looking upon the views, me need 1 million. When me look upon the souls, me need 1 million. Hey! Listen, protect your beautiful skin and your beautiful energy. Please like my videos, watch them a ton of times. Like, share, subscribe, and hype. And I'll see you on the next one. Ciao for now.